Welcome to Debt Busters and welcome to another YouTube video. This video is going to be a bit more of a behind-the-scenes look at my YouTube channel, including how much money I made from my first YouTube paycheck on this channel. I probably get asked how much money I make on this channel as much as I'm asked what text-to-speech software I use. Stick with me to get the answers you've been craving. Remember to click the like button and subscribe to this channel to help us beat the YouTube algorithm. I've been pretty nervous about making a video like this. I find these videos super interesting. And I am always so curious about each creator's individual journey to getting monetized and just like how their channels came to be. So I thought I would do a video myself since I've recently been monetized. I am a smaller channel at this moment. I have 1830 subscribers. I'm writing this script on November 2, 2022. Literally, I wake up every day. And I'm humbled by your support. And it's because I spent all of 2022 slowly growing. My channel hasn't taken off yet, but we're definitely building momentum, which I hope to show you in this video. And I want to show you what went into getting me monetized and how much money I made. I feel like a lot of people look for videos of how long it took someone to get monetized and what their channel growth was like because they want to compare their channel to it, or in a way give themselves a timeline of how long it would take. Now that's kind of unrealistic because every single journey is totally different on YouTube and on any social media platform. Someone might gain 1 million subscribers in literally one video, and someone else might gain them in 8 years. It just doesn't matter. This isn't the first channel I've monetized, and I was aware that barring any particular video blowing up, it would take about 100 videos to gain the necessary 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 public watch hours needed to join the YouTube Partner Program. Many of you who are interested in cash cow YouTube channels want to give yourself some kind of goal, timeline, and path to follow. If that's what you're looking for, the goal is to make 100 videos of the best quality you can. There are no shortcuts, only scams and people looking to rip you off. You can get lucky and have a video blow up and get you all the subs and watch time you need. But you're not guaranteed that. YouTube doesn't owe anyone viral growth. So while there are videos out there about how to get monetized in 20 minutes or something equally as ridiculous, monetizing is not like a magic trick or secret formula. You have to put a lot of work in, and it kind of has to be in the right place at the right time. That's why I'm making this video, to maybe be a little helpful to anyone who needs a little help. I started my YouTube channel on April 27, 2021. It's called Debt Busters because it was originally about personal finance. I was creating one video a week and getting moderate success. My first video was a short that got 32 views in its first week. That first week, I got 79 views, 12 subscribers, and 3.6 watch hours. I didn't tell anyone about this channel. In fact, family and friends are the worst people to tell about your channel. Some of them may think they're doing you a favor by subscribing, but they wind up hurting your channel in 2 ways. First, unless they're interested in your subject, they won't watch many of your videos. YouTube distributes videos to test audiences, starting with your subscribers. If your subscribers don't watch the video that YouTube puts in front of them, your channel is dead in the water. Second, if your family and friends watch your videos, YouTube will go find you more viewers like the ones who are watching your content. If they are watching out of pity, but they don't watch that kind of content normally, YouTube will advertise your video to people who aren't interested in your kind of content, and your channel dies. Family and friends will kill your channel. Same goes for buying views. I managed to gain 263 views, 13.5 watch hours, and 17 subscribers between April 27 and May 31, 2021. I was still coming out with 1 video per week, and things were rolling along at a pretty slow pace. June 2021 was almost a repeat of May. I got 232 views, 13.3 hours of watch time, and 7 subscribers. For those of you who don't know, a video that gets more views than a channel has subscribers is called a breakout video. It's easier to have breakout videos when a channel is small. My best performing video that month was Pictory, the best Vidnami alternative on the market, which earned me 453 views. July 2021 is when I decided to change niches and start talking about YouTube content creation. July is when things started to change. I was using Vidnami to make my videos, and word came out that Vidnami was bought by GoDaddy and would be going away in August 2021. I've always been very passionate about YouTube and the content creation process, so I followed my intuition and stepped out of my niche and made the video 5 best Vidnami alternatives to plumb-mail the competition. That video got 363 views in July, which was 138% more than every video on my channel did the previous month. I sensed I was onto something. In July 2021, I gained 1079 views, 65 hours of watch time, and 16 subscribers. I think that puts me at 40 subs at this point. August 2021 was a repeat of July where I got 1081 views, 61.6 hours of watch time, and 20 subscribers. I only released 2 videos that month. August was when I bought Tube Mastery and Monetization 2.0 and determined that I'd take my channel to the next level. I took 3 months off from content creation on all of my channels and dedicated my YouTube time to studying the course and learning about YouTube automation. I came back on November 29, 2021, where I reviewed Tube Mastery and Monetization, and the video gained a hopping 29 views. Fortunately, the other videos I created before were doing pretty well. Between September 1 and November 30, 2021, I gained 4156 views, 226.5 watch hours, and 56 subscribers. That puts me at 116 subs at this point. December 2021 wasn't a novel month for me either. I gained 1871 views, 102.3 hours of watch time, and 26 subscribers. I created some of the videos that would go on to be the backbone of the channel, but they weren't immediately very successful. My most watched new video in that time was YouTube Cash Cow Channel Ideas Best Niches in 2022, which gained 292 views. It was another breakout video, so I'm always happy about that. The channel really ramps up in January 2022, where I started trying to go to 2 videos a week. I implemented many of Matt's project management tips and was able to release 6 videos in the same time it used to take me to make 4. I gained 3663 views, 184.3 hours of watch time, and 58 views. The Tube Mastery and Monetization video really took hold during this time and gained 432 views. This is also where I was able to make enough money in affiliate revenue from selling the course for the class to pay for itself. My investment in the Tube Mastery and Monetization course paid for itself after 2 months of implementing Matt's tips. That's why I promote his class so hard. It's basically free if you put in the work. Moreover, the class pays you to take it. By February 2022, I figured out how to better implement everything Matt taught in the class. I was able to make 12 videos per month, much like I do now. I gained 6138 views, 276.6 watch hours, and 113 subscribers. My top-performing video in February was Top 10 Faceless Cash Cow YouTube Niches to Make Money Without Showing Your Face, which earned me 1482 views. It's important to remember that not every video you put on YouTube is an instant hit. Some of them take a few weeks or even months before the algorithm promotes them. You have to believe in yourself, and getting the right training helps you know that what you're doing will work, even when it doesn't look like it's working. March 2022 was a good bit better than February. I released 13 videos that gained me 8537 views, 306.1 watch hours, and 100 subscribers. It's important to remember that every video is like a fishing hook in YouTube's ocean of viewers. Yes, you can drop one hook and catch a whale, but those stories are remarkable because that's rare. The better strategy is to drop as many hooks as you can and catch as many regular-sized fish as you can. Let's start talking about 3-month quarters so the video isn't too long. Long videos make my editors cranky. Between April 1 and June 30, 2022, the channel gained 24,738 views, 1,200 watch hours, and 363 subs. It's important to remember that not every viewer is a unique person. Some people watch multiple videos over a given month. I guess that of those nearly 25,000 views, 6,000 of them are unique viewers, giving me a viewer-to-subscriber conversion rate of about 6%. It takes a few exposures to your channel in order to convince some people to subscribe. If you're finding this information helpful, why don't you go ahead and subscribe right now? Subscribing is free, and you can always unsubscribe later. Between July 1 and September 30, 2022, the channel gained 48,785 views, nearly double the previous quarter. I was also monetized on September 17 after getting 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. I hit the subscriber threshold first, as most people do. I got to 1,000 subs in August, I believe. I hit pay dirt in May with what is currently the channel's top video, Top 5 High CPM Niche YouTube Cash Cow Channel Ideas, $500 plus CPMs. The video received 6224 views this quarter, and I believe it's a big part of the reason most of you are here. One thing we learned in Tube Mastery and Monetization is if you have a video that's performing very well, make a sequel. So I followed up with 5 best low-competition faceless cash cow YouTube channel ideas, $800 plus CPMs. Now for why you're here. I earned $118.84 in September after being monetized for 13 days. There's an $100 threshold when you make your first paycheck. and you can't cash out through AdSense unless you make the $100. Unfortunately, YouTube started showing signs of a potential economic downturn as advertisers started spending less on ads. My CPM was $30.75 in September, and you'll see it won't be quite as high in October. You'll see RPM is low because I wasn't monetized for half of September. The most money I made from ad revenue in September was $16.28 on September 19, and it slowly went down from there. The lowest amount I made in September was $3.34 on September 29. I made $118.84 in September. That's what I earned in 2 weeks. Let's talk about my first full month being monetized on this channel. In October 2022, the channel gained 24,009 views, 1,300 watch hours, 287 subscribers, and made $234.12, which is nearly double what I made in September. My CPM was $24.13, a 22% decline from September, and that's likely due to advertisers scaling back. That's why I tell my viewers not to rely on YouTube ad revenue. It's not how most savvy YouTubers make most of their money. With that being said, I was able to earn $234.12, all while having the channel fully automated. I'm writing the script myself, but I don't typically. I started using the text-to-speech software you're listening to on April 11, 2022, so that suggests I've made about 90 videos using the software. So obviously, yes, you can monetize a channel using text-to-speech as long as it's very sophisticated. Check my link in the description if you're interested in trying the most human-like text-to-speech software on the market for free. Do me a favor. If you see someone in the comments asking about text-to-speech, write #haha in the comments. Maybe then I won't get asked that question 4 times a day, and those same people may learn that it pays to watch videos to the end. I'm getting ready to make some big moves on the channel in December, so stay tuned for that. Make sure you do all the YouTube things like comment and subscribe. I'd love to hear what you think about the video. Some of you may be aware that my channel is associated with Matt Parr. He provides a variety of secret growth tactics for making money online in 2023 using YouTube cash cow channels. If you're interested, you can find his 100% free course under the description. It shows you how to make up to $30,000 each month online, just like he does. If you enjoyed this video, then check out this video on your screen I've selected just for you. Now you know how much I made in my first full month monetized on YouTube. But that won't help you if you're really interested in which platform is best for cash cow YouTube channels between YouTube and TikTok. Click the thumbnail on your screen if you really want to know which is better for cash cow channels. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.